Hello everyone and welcome. Today we're diving into the world of productivity with a detailed guide on how to use Gemini AI with Google Workspace. By Google Workspace I mean Google Drive, Google Docs, Gmail and more. Gemini AI is Google's new AI assistant designed to supercharge how you work, whether you're drafting emails, summarizing documents, or organizing your project. Gemini AI is here to help, so let's get started. But first of all, we need to understand what Gemini is. So, Gemini is Google's advanced generative AI integrated directly into your favorite Google Workspace apps. That is, think of it as an AI-powered co-pilot or assistant that helps you with tasks like creating content, analyzing data, drafting emails, and even brainstorming ideas. And the best part is, it is built right into the apps you're already using. So there is no need to download anything extra. Now let's get started with Gemini AI. First off, you have to open up Gemini AI. You can tap gemini.google.com, and then once you're there, you are to click on the settings. So here it is. Click on the settings tab on the bottom left, then you click on extensions to open up the extensions. Now this is Gemini extensions. It helps you bring it all together, so you can go from tons of tabs to one conversation. Gemini can now access information from news sources, starting with Google Maps, YouTube, flights, and hotels, so you can bring your ideas to life easier and faster. The next thing, Gemini has the magic that comes to your stuff. It can help you find, summarize, and get quick answers from your emails, documents, and PDFs. For example, you can ask it to summarize your recent college tour reservations from Gmail and put them in a table with the date and time, and it will do that. Like I said, magic. Next, you can turn Gemini extensions on or off anytime. Gemini helps you to share information such as your location to provide the most relevant response, but you control the extensions Gemini gets to use. Like I said, one conversation, many extensions. However your conversation evolves, Gemini can automatically pick an extension or multiple extensions to help respond to you. So that's why we said Gemini extensions help you bring it all together. As you can see, we have Google Workspace over here. That is Gmail, Google Calendar, Google Docs, Google Drive, Google Keep, Google Tasks. It can help you find, summarize, and get quick info from your content in Gmail, Docs, Drive, and more. So make sure you enable it. Tap on Connect, and the next thing, Google Flights. Now, it will help you to pull in real-time flight info for intuitive, personalized travel planning. For example, you can ask it to show you flights to Tokyo and give you ideas of things to do. And also, you can pick another place also, like let's say Seoul. So the next one we have, make sure it's on also. Now the next one we have is Google Hotels. Here to help you search for hotels based on what's important to you, the same way you talk to a friend. For example, you can ask it to find hotels in Phuket for a week in March and suggest a packing list. We have others. So if you scroll down, you're going to see others too. We have Google Maps. We have YouTube and YouTube Music. Now on the Google Maps, to help you to tap into location-based information to bring your plans to life. It will help you bring your plans to life. Now you can ask it, for example, how long does it take to walk from Buckingham Palace to Big Ben in London? You can also ask it, what about from Big Ben to Trafalgar Square? You see? Next we have YouTube. It can help you discover YouTube videos and get answers about them. For example, find videos of how to quickly get grape juice out of a wool rug. Wow, you're in trouble. That's why you're looking for the answer, and it will help you find it. To help you find the video and get you the answers. The next we have is YouTube Music. You can turn it on too by tapping on that and then tapping on Connect. Now it will help you play, search, and discover your favorite songs, artists, playlist, and more. For example, you can ask to play songs where Beyonce and Jay-Z feature together. So once you're done with all this, the next thing you can do is tap on Gemini up here like this to take you to the AI itself. Let us see how we can use the extensions. You use the extension by tapping on Shift and A and 2 to bring out your art, and then choose the extension you want. Let's say I want to use Google Docs. Then I can tell it what I want. For example, I want it to give me a document, or to create a document. Create a document. Create a document on, let's say, climate change. And then submit it. Give it a second. It's going to try to find the documents from my Google Workspace, my Google Drive, and my Google Doc. And you can see it's giving me some sources and related content. But this is not exactly what I'm looking for. If it is, I just simply pick it. But since it isn't, I just simply go back here. No, don't forget, Gemini can make mistakes, so always double check it. So tap on this down arrow and then tap on try again without extension. So which means I wanted to create it without looking for it on my Google Docs. Now, I'm designed solely to process generic text, so I'm unable to assist you with this because I said you should create. So I'm going to change the wordings by clicking on that pen icon to edit. Instead of saying create, you can say find document, and then click on update. Let's see. So looking for a document, accessing my documents. Now it couldn't find a document on climate change in my Google Drive, but I can do it again by changing the settings to tap on more. Nope, not here, sorry. I want to change the settings. Tap on this down arrow and say you should try again without extensions. Wow, what's going on? It seems it does not have anything on climate change. It should. Let's keep trying. Okay, now going for a document on climate change. However, I find a document titled that causes policy reforms and healthcare transformation. Why doesn't directly address climate change? Highlights the importance of public-private integration in addressing healthcare challenges. This concept could potentially be applied to climate change mitigation and adaptation efforts as well. So I can try to choose the document. Now, if I don't want to have any to do it with any extension, I can simply tap on the text and remove the Google Docs, and then let's see if it will work. Let's see. Alright, so it's still giving me from Google Docs. So let's see, it has to be, is it why I keep saying find? Let's rephrase our question. Remove the word documents. It will help me write on climate change. Let's see. Now we update it. Now it's done. So you see, you have to be very specific. Be careful of the wordings you use. So that's it. It has done that for us. You can see, you can even find other related topics like climate change, effects of climate change. You can also expand it to find out similar content. Alright, now you can easily Give a thumbs up, give a good response. A bad response, you can share and export by tapping on this. You can also regenerate the answer. You can tap on more to copy or even listen and double check your response. And you can also report legal issues here. So we can also ask it for some advice. Let's say you want to know where someone is. Let's use Google Map, for example. Google Map wants it to find pictures of the Big Ben in London. Alright, we have this. Sorry, I cannot search for places by their official appearance, so it can give us a picture, but it found the Big Ben London for me by writing, giving me a background about a 16-story Gothic clock tower, national symbol at the eastern end of the House of Parliament. It has 4.5 star ratings on Google Map, and then it showed me this. This is Google Map. So you see. And the next one, let's see. We've done Google Maps, let's try something else. So you can see it's very helpful. Now let's go for Google Flights. When is the next flight? To, let's say, let's see if it knows this one. You can see the next flight from Lagos to Abuja is Monday, December 16th at 5:45. It also helped me to find a few round trip options. Can you see it? And if you want more details, you can simply tap on this. If you want to narrow down your search, you can specify a price range, the airline, or the time you want to travel. So you can do this for as many extensions as you want. Let's see for YouTube. Let's try for YouTube next. Now let's say I want to find me a video. How to, for example, how to become a freelancer. And then we submit. And it has taken me to the sites. You can see. So if I click on the sites, any of the sites, it will help me out. Like you can see, how to be the freelance career that works for you. Just simply click on it. How to become a freelancer in 2025. How to become a freelance graphic designer. 11 freelance jobs for beginners, step by step, and how to start freelance writing in 2024. You can make $5 per month. That's nice. So you can see the videos, the thumbnails. Just simply click on it. Now, YouTube video views will be stored in your YouTube history, and data will be stored and used by YouTube according to its terms of service. So that's it. So if you want to copy, remember, you can simply tap on more, tap on copy. If you want to listen, tap on listen. You can also report legal issues. If you want to regenerate, you can tap on this. If you want to share, you tap on this to share and export. You can share the content, you can export to doc, or you can draft in Gmail. So you can give it a thumbs up for good response or a thumbs down. Then don't forget to give additional feedback. So that's it.